Hi Daniel, my name is Danielle. In this video I'm gonna just show you 3 quick things that you can do yourself today to help bring in more customers, and I'm also gonna show you or give you an idea of where your competition is currently at. So those 3 things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Now the first one, content, is going to be one of the most important ones. So typically Google is looking for 1,500 words of content to be able to get a good understanding of exactly what services you offer. Also, this makes it easier for Google to pull key phrases from your website when people are searching for your services. So I did take a look at your site here. It's a very nice site, by the way. It looks like you guys put some work in here. I went ahead and I looked up some key phrases that people might be searching in your area when looking for your services. This is what came up here. I did not see you guys pull up on my initial search, but that can be fixed. So I'm going to start with this. This is going to be the map pack, this area right here. The Google Business Page map pack. And in order to rank on the map pack, you need citations. That's just going to be your name, your address, your phone number, and your web address. So the more citations you have, the more likely you are to rank in this map pack. The second biggest factor is ranking organically. But before we get into that, I just want to quickly give you an idea of what your competition what their sites look like here. So comparative to your site, they don't have too much content, but it looks like they have a little bit more content than your site here, as well as they have several call to actions, and that can also generate more customers as well. This is another one. As you can see here, they have a little bit of content as well as several call to actions as well. One of the tools we use here is called Ahrefs, and what it does is it breaks down your ranking, okay? So what it does is it goes over your URL ranking, which would be the UR, and your domain ranking, which is going to be the DR. And really what this is just a popularity contest. This was one of your competitors that I pulled up. Now, how do you get more popular? And this is also going to go back to ranking organically. So in order to rank organically and become more popular, you just need good quality backlinks. And a backlink is just going to be a link from one site to another, from a popular and powerful website. So the more likely you are to rank, the more popular and powerful that site is. Just a good example of that would be if a popular news station were to report and post about your services on their website, that's likely to hold more weight than if a family friend were to post on their blog about your services. So you want as many backlinks as you can with powerful and popular websites. So those are the 3 things. Again, just a quick recap. It's going to be content of 1,500 words on average comparative to your competition. Citations, your name, address, phone number, and web address. And then backlinks, good quality backlinks. So I hope you found this video helpful. I appreciate you taking the time today to watch this, and I look forward to speaking with you again and getting some feedback. Thank you.